Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix low disk usage in Steam on Windows. So let's get started. First, open your Steam and then go to the top left side, click on the Steam button and select Settings. Now go to Downloads and scroll down until you find Clear Cache option. Click on this and confirm it and restart your Steam. Now go back to downloads and you will see there is a download region option. Set to your location or nearby yours and then make sure that the limit download speed is turned off. Now from the Steam menu, click on check for Steam client updates. This may take a moment, and if you don't update the latest version, update it right now. So once it's done, that's all. You have successfully fixed the slow disk usage in Stream. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.